So just like I said in my previous video, I'll be comparing the specs of the Oukitel WP33 PRO with the Oukitel WP36. The WP36 is Oukitel's new budget or cheap rugged phone. It is also equipped with a 3.5 watt speaker that has a max loudness of 128 decibels. Amazing, guys. The Oukitel WP33 PRO is also equipped with a super loud speaker as well. Anyway, let's compare the top specs and features of both devices side by side, just to point out the differences and maybe similarities. So without further ado, let's dig in. So there you go, guys, the Oukitel WP36 versus the Oukitel WP33 PRO specs comparison. Which of the two devices do you think is equipped with the best specs? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.